What are you doing here?
Yeah, just hanging around. Hey, got a lot already.
Where? There's a person standing in the middle of the road. For no apparent reason. Okay, they actually are walking.
Thought they were opening the door.
Is it this one?
Where is it? Then the office.
What, Otis?
Yeah.
It's not Otis. Talking about Otis.
The car is called Otis or Corolla Otis.
I have no idea what the car is. I don't know what brand. I only know all those high model.
Yeah, right.
Really? I play a lot of Need for Speed. I know a lot of cars, okay? But this kind of brand, I don't know.
You also at the beginning you used a lot of cars.
No, my game is high-end game one.
High-end.
Don't have any like low car brand.
Still got do this.
What?
This video.
Yeah. Yes, I do. Of course. It's the in thing to do. Video logging. You know, right? They say Avatar did it. I Am Legend did it. A lot of people did it. You know?
No loss.
There will be lots.
Hey, behind you got. Hey.
Go.
That my lot.
Yeah.
But I don't know how about.
Go reverse. Really a lot of sensor eh. Like they have like for reverse and then they're like and it's like proximity sensor or something like that.
That's crazy.
Because the car is damn fat. So you're finally inside Giant. It's very long escalator. Long ride. Chinese New Year! Whoa. Bus. This is Giant. How much is big? Oh, it's Chinese New Year. Hey, oh yeah. Foursquare. Check into Foursquare. Here we are at Giant. Actually, what are you supposed to be doing here?
I don't know. I thought you say want to buy some. I don't know. You say you got like offer already.
Yeah, but I'm not saying food, right? I don't know what. You need to try now.
Yeah, where's your stuff?
I don't know. It's somewhere in the middle of nowhere. Which is the... Actually, not really in the middle of nowhere. It's the opposite of here. Which is way back. Back. Bread here is quite good, eh? Making me hungry.
Are you hungry?
Yes, very hungry right now.
You got a lot of food.
I can eat everything now.
Then you just buy it now.
Ah, I don't know. Just walk around first. Get to move. Yeah, I guess.
Actually, you just get some drink. Then you just drink it here, then you just leave it.
What are you trying to say?
No lah, I just suggesting, but I never drink anything. Still intact.
So what's happening, man?
It's the show, it's the Giant show.
What Giant show?
I don't know, Chinese one.
It's the exit. No, exit. But we are going to enter anyway. Because we are hardcore. Why are you recording, man? Wait, why are you recording?
I taking photo.
What is this? It's just people doing stuff.
The Chinese celebrity.
Who cares? Not like you're gonna win like that. Why you take picture?
I cannot.
Doesn't make sense, huh?
I don't know, that's the natural reaction of people.
You won't get inside the video, eh?
I'm not going in.
It's boring. Who is that? Is that actor? What was that guy
This is the
name?
Brian, I don't know what.
I have no idea. Person. That person lah, you know.
Ah, Barbarella.
Ah, Barbarella. That person. I don't get the point. I don't get the point why people are like recording this thing on. It's like just a couple of people standing there doing stuff. I don't know why you're recording. You don't know that's why you're recording. So other people are also recording because you don't know what they're recording.
Yeah, that's why.
Wow. Wow.
Because you don't see them regularly.
I see that on TV every day.
That's TV, right?
So what?
It's not easy.
This is YouTube now. We're gonna go on YouTube. So it's the same thing. This is boring eh? Very boring eh?
Yeah, I'm going to go soon.
How long are you gonna stay here? You know, 1 minute is very long over here. See the sticks. A lot of sticks over there. Like some dinosaur stick.
That's not Dash.
I mean, it's like, you know, neck of the dinosaur. Are they playing with themselves so they win themselves or what?
Oh, they got different teams.
What? It's free stuff and stuff. You know, iPhone is not that good.
It is okay, it's HD.
My this thing is also HD, you know?
Same.
This is very boring. If you just see just now, right? What are the demographics of that place?
What is that?
Types of people who are over there.
What celebrity?
What's the demographics?
Celebrity.
No. You don't understand, never mind. People will know. Exit, and we are trying to enter the exit. Wow! Oh, serious? Now you have to walk one round. One round.
You must remember it. People don't want to forget.
Is it hard to forget?
Yeah, it's easy to forget.
Why is it easy to forget? It's just across the road only.
It's not easy to forget.
La.
Exit faster. You need to go.
What you have?
Huh?
Oh yeah.
Let's go buy.
So this is finally Ikea, man. Never been here before.
I've never been here before.
Serious? Never been to Ikea before. I've only been to Courts and Giant. Never been to Ikea. I don't know why do people eat in Ikea,
Because it's nice.
but
And it's one and only
the
place.
main purpose of Ikea is to buy furniture and stuff, not to eat. Let's go.
That was last time.
That was last time, this is now time. Are you sure they have carts over here?
Yeah. That's not the point. You can't find seats now. Today is Sunday. Ouch.
This is Ikea, you can find seats anywhere. What the hell are you talking about?
As in, a place to dine.
You can just assemble a chair.
Assemble your head now.
This is Ikea, you're supposed to assemble your stuff over here. Let's go, check it out. Ikea food. Doesn't matter.
Now,
Go to the place menu first. You can share seats, what? Like this?
yeah.
This is very weird, eh? Very weird.
What's weird?
It's like first time dining in here. Dining. Yes, dining over here. First time. They gave a tray. I mean, they gave a trolley to put your food in.
I'm going to use a meatball.
What else do they have? I don't know. Let's see what do they have. What's the best thing to eat over here?
I must eat the halal.
They got. I thought it's halal certified. They said.
Got both.
Finally, our cart, man, full of food. So big.
There's a lot of food.
For you. Now the second problem. We got the food. Now find a seat. It's quite a problem. Very hard to find the seats here. Where? You just need 2% only. But it's hard to find. This is Ikea, man. How long we find seats?
5 minutes only.
But it looks good, the food. What?
Yeah, so how's the food?
Expensive, man. Expensive.
But it tastes nice.
Not really much.
Nice.
I can cook better than that, okay?
Are you sure?
Yes, I can cook better than that.
Are you sure?
How naming is that? Chicken.
What?
The dog. You scared, right? You scared, right?
You are the one.
Scared of dog, you. This doesn't look like exit at all. This looks like getting more inside than ever. Yeah.
You smell wood?
Plywood. Why do you have a very weird naming, Anaboda?
Special.
This is totally one round.
That's the point. Huh? You don't let it go.
Maybe you don't know how to get out.
Yeah, why not you try getting out?
I can just get out. Get photo. Check this out. This door leads to the exit.
Yeah.
And check out where's the exit at. Wow, this is so awesome, man. Very awesome. Car, what is that weird car color? See the rim, green rim and yellow color. Over there, you just see what kind of car is that. Car.
Watch the video. Alamak, auntie, faster, yeah, faster reverse lah.
This is not auntie lah, that's a guy that way.
Hey, just pass only.
Hey, you see this?
I longer here.
I passed like 1 year ago.
I park very fast only.
Yeah, right.
Left or right?
This way, then go down that way. It's the only way. Hey, no chicken driving lah. It's dangerous.
Walao, the car big.
Drinking and driving is dangerous, you know. It's against the law to drink and drive. And you're doing it.
Wow, it's too fast.
Hey, it's very near, okay? Quite near.